Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Cricut Explore Air 2 not connecting to Bluetooth. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to open your computer or your phone's Bluetooth settings. Currently, I'm using PC, so I'm going to be just right clicking on the taskbar, then click on the option of taskbar settings. Now here, when you are inside your settings, click on the option of Bluetooth and devices. Over here on the top, it is going to show you all of your saved Cricut devices. So you just have to click on the three dots right next to it, then click on the option of remove device. So you need to basically remove any of the saved Cricut devices. Old or failed pairing often block the new connections. After removing, you just have to turn the Bluetooth off once. Then you need to click on it in order to turn it on again. After doing this, you just have to click on the option of add device, then click on the option of Bluetooth. Then it is going to basically look for the device. So when it shows the Cricut Explore Air 2 in the list, you just have to click on that in order to select it. Do not connect directly from the system Bluetooth first. You can open your Cricut design space and then you can basically start a new project. Let the application search for your machine and select your Cricut Explore Air 2 when it appears. Now when pairing, you may be asked for a pin. So the default pin is usually 0000. So you can enter it and you can continue pairing. So if you are using Windows, you can also right click on the start button. Then you can click on the option of device manager. When it opens in front of you, you just have to click on the arrow button right next to Bluetooth. Over here, you just have to right click on the Bluetooth drivers and you need to update them. After updating it, simply restart your PC. Also turn the Bluetooth off and on again before reconnecting. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.